Hey, welcome everyone back to Farm Fit and Fun. It's John and Bev, and we're going to talk about our day at the farm. We got up at 4:30, yeah, around there, and had our coffee and breakfast, then meandered down to the farm because it's so hot in Arizona. We like to get an early start.
And when we get here, the first thing that happens is this place is fit in every way, so we get our temperature checked.
Client, wait a minute. Yeah, we're gonna, and temperature, mask. Beverly's underneath all that.
I'll wear masks, particularly when we have clients here. Sometimes it gets a little dusty, so it's helpful with that, so we do the bandanas. And then we go to work. We've got 24 horses here, and because it's so hot in Arizona, the horses are out at night in what we call the paddocks, and then they have to be moved inside to their stalls in the morning, which means we have to move them.
And Beverly's putting Nunu in for breakfast.
He's ready. He's ready.
He is. He's always ready.
And we have to then clean the outside stalls so that they're ready to move outside when we put them out late in the afternoon.
So even moving the horses takes some fitness, especially for someone short like me, because I'm always stretching to get the bridle on and get the leads on. But then to clean the stalls, I can remember when I first started cleaning them and lugging around that big wheelbarrow full of poo. So this is my last paddock for today at Hunkapi Farms. I just have to empty the water over there, see the blue barrel, and I see a lot of poop over in the corner over there. And then I'll fill up the wheelbarrow, take it, and dump it. It was an effort. I've gotten a lot more fit in this last month because it's less of an effort. So we go in there, we clean the outdoor stalls, we clean all the poo, and then we empty some enormous water containers.
Yeah, sometimes it takes two of us.
So this is too heavy for me to turn like that. So here's some work I'm doing. Oh God, it feels good. The water actually feels good. It's got to be 90 degrees already.
It's
don't you think?
hotter than that, I think. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, do you think it will go yet? Wait a minute, I think I got it. Do I have to get the momentum going here?
Wait a minute. Let's see if we can do it together.
Okay, there we go. All right. Great upper body strength. They are so full. It's kind of like CrossFit, moving those big, huge tires.
Yes. And just a point about moving the horses. This morning we lost one, sort of. He got out because I was trying to help with the gate. Bev hadn't put the halter on, and I didn't notice that, and he
bolted.
He took off.
I'm getting out of here. I'm freedom.
Exactly. And he was hungry, so it was breakfast time, and he went looking for food.
And he's been on stall rest, so he's bored, and it was like that little brief moment of freedom. He loved it.
You're using muscles because you're tensed about it, and they're big animals. As Bev said.
Tied him up. He is moving. He has on stall duty, so he's got his own quarantine going on. Quarantine. And he's when he gets out, he enjoys it.
Be careful not to do that again.
There. That's all he wanted was something to eat.
Yeah, and then we walk them a lot. I mean, when we get them all settled and they've got their feed and they're happy, then they start working. So we'll be going down to the stables at that point and bring them up to where they get hitched up and they get ready for their work. So the clients start arriving, and this is a horse therapy farm. And so we have a lot of young people who have had some drama or trauma in their life, and this helps them through that.
And some of the horses that are on stall rest need to be groomed periodically, just because they're sort of in their stall and they get dusty and hot and all that, and bathed. And we're going to do a separate video on
grooming.
There's an exercise around grooming that you get a lot of workout. You got to clean in their hoofs, etc. So we'll do another video on that.
Yeah, and then we'll just we also have some fun stuff. There are 10 little baby Pyrenees that were born, a week ago? Not even a week ago.
No.
Not even a week. So we had the fun of taking them from the They are inside, but they're outside at night so that the owners can sleep. So we take them out of the stalls and we bring them up to their daytime home, which is actually in the house of the owners. They're like this big.
They're tiny.
Just tiny little things in our hands. And so we had the fun of moving them.
The black one is always happy.
Puppy bicep curls.
That's right.
The black one
And kisses.
The black one, the big white one, this one, and this one.
We had, which is small motor coordination, let's say. It's not really that fit. Just fun.
Yes.
But then getting the lid off of we had to feed the chickens. That lid off. Come on, John.
Farm fit.
Farm fit. Farm fit.
Don't you start.
Oh my God, this is so good.
That was so cute. That made my morning. It was so fun.
Come on.
It's not budging.
Just think of all the muscles you're developing. That was some strength to get the unscrewing all the chicken water things. Anyhow, there's fitness all over the place.
And then the big news was tomorrow morning we start our riding lessons. We want to be able to not just do the farm work, we want to be able to exercise the horses when they need to be exercised.
In the arena. We walk them now, but yeah, that would be really fun.
So we're starting tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
Yay! So that's a little glimpse of what farm fitness looks like for us. We make sure we wear a mask. We always wear our hats because we're in Arizona. I happen to wear my sunglasses because there's, that's so much better. Takes the glare away. We look forward to seeing you soon with our grooming video.
Tomorrow.